que el agua no caiga en la barra, ¿entiendes?
Ground and pavement mats offer durability, stability, and safety, saving us on the restoration costs. Saving time and money gets us to the next job quicker. Here's our patio doors. Our top of pavement will be 4 inches lower than that threshold to code. This raised patio will give the clients access to this plunge, dip, cocktail, small pool area by Beto Pools. Beto Pools can be installed in ground, above ground, or semi-recessed like we're doing. On the far side of that pool, we're going to use our iconic panels in the Victoria color and veneer them. Can't wait to show you that. To say that these pools offer efficiency and installation is a huge understatement. We save on time, we save on cost, we save on energy, and we save on maintenance. Time, well, 2 guys and a crane. That's it. Cost, 25 to 75% savings versus traditional liner, glass, or gunite pools. Energy, the efficiency of the filters, the pumps, and the heater is obvious. And the maintenance, with a maintenance-free liner, 3-dimensional, and less chlorine, bromine, or saline. We're going to go saline. There's a huge savings. Our pool panel equipment comes pre-mounted. All we have to do is pour and place the one unit. It's simply a plug-and-play installation for our subcontractors. Our fascia wall system has begun. Our subgrade has been compacted, a woven geotextile installed. Our base is 57s, our bedding number 8s. Our base units have been placed with vacuum installation technology. Our single-sided core units have been placed mechanically. All we have to do now is finish the drainage, begin backfilling and geogrid stabilizing. Now, this job's well underway.